In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint tricks. We'll move from a blank presentation to a polished professional deck using built-in tools that save time and add impact, all while keeping everything easy to follow. Start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint and creating a new presentation. From the Home tab, choose New Slide and pick a simple layout like title and content. A clean layout gives you structure and keeps your message clear right from the start. Next, head to the Design tab to apply a theme. Choose one that matches your brand or topic and apply it to all slides. Themes set consistent colors, fonts, and backgrounds, which instantly make your presentation look cohesive. For deeper control, open View and select Slide Master. Here you can standardize fonts, colors, and layouts across your entire deck. Adjust titles, footers, and placeholders once, then click Close Master View. This prevents slide-by-slide formatting later. Now add your content. Type directly into the placeholders and use Insert to bring in pictures, icons, or shapes. Resize by dragging the corners to keep proportions intact and position elements so there's enough breathing room around them for readability. When you need visuals that explain processes or lists, go to Insert and choose Smart Art. Pick a layout such as Process, List, or Cycle and enter your text. Select a style that matches the level of detail you want. Simple lists for quick points, or process diagrams when you need steps. Bring motion thoughtfully with animations. Select any object, go to Animations, click Add Animation, and pick an effect. Open the animation pane to adjust timing, order, and delays. Subtle, consistent animations help guide attention without distracting your audience. For seamless movement between slides, use the morph transition. Duplicate a slide with Ctrl+D, move or resize objects on the copy, then apply transitions and choose morph. PowerPoint animates the changes automatically for a smooth, modern effect. Clean alignment is crucial. Select multiple objects, go to Shape Format, and choose Align. Center, left, or distribute options quickly tidy your layout and make slides look professionally arranged. To demonstrate a process, insert a screen recording. Click Insert, select Screen Recording, choose the area, and hit Record. The clip is placed directly into your slide and can be trimmed or resized. Speed up your workflow with shortcuts. Ctrl+D to duplicate, Ctrl+G to group objects, and F5 to start the slideshow. When you're ready to share, go to File, Export, and choose PDF for easy distribution or video for self-running presentations. Click Export and let PowerPoint render. Finally, run the slideshow with F5, review animations and transitions, and confirm everything is aligned and readable. You now have a clean, professional PowerPoint presentation using essential tricks and tools, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.